So in this question we need to find the sum of the first 10 terms of this series. So initially it may seem like this is a geometric series, as we can write 2, 4, 8. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, and 8 into 2 is 16. So it may seems like it is a geometric series, but the problem is there is log. So we don't know whether it's a geometric or some other kind of series. So we can write log 2, log 4, log 8 plus, so it will be 10th. So it will be log 2 square, log 2 cube. So we can write log 2 plus, it will come first, so it will be 2 log 2 plus 3 log 2, and it will continue. So now we can see that if we take log 2 common, it's 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, it will be 10th term. So it is the sequence of natural number, and we know the sum of the natural number is n into n plus 1 by 2, and here n is 10 because we want 10 term. So 10 into 11 by 2, so it will be 5, so it will be 55. So the sum is 55 log 2.